Hello everyone, it's Christine and Connie here at Going Touring. This time out we're away for a weekend of quiet relaxation at Fox Hill Caravan and Camping Site. When we first arrived at Fox Hill, we thought the site was going to be busy, but it transpired that the units that you see here are mostly seasonal and was in fact just us and another unit that will be here for the weekend. As you can see, the route through the site is basically a gravel track. You gain access to the pitches by towing across the grass, so be careful if it's wet. We got stuck and had to use the motor mover to get onto our pitch. Once the rain had subsided, we were treated to some lovely skies. The chemical waste disposal and grey water disposal points were basic to say the least, but they worked well. Just don't drop anything down there. The site warden's office has a stock of basic food items, so if you get caught out without bread or milk, you'll get some here. The showers and toilets are located next to the warden's office. They're not the most luxurious that we've ever used, but they're warm, clean, and have everything that you need. You need some 20p for the hairdryer though. We did go out to do a little shopping to a nearby caravan sales, Ebor Leisure World, to pick up some bits and pieces and a new brush for cleaning the caravan which will be used in the next week or so. We even had time to visit a local bikers cafe just down the A19. Sorry there's no pictures of the bikes, as the heavens opened up again and we had to run for the car. Then it was back to the site to catch up on that much needed relaxation. Some of us were more relaxed than others though. It's hard work being a cat. Catch up with us next time as we go to Silver Hill Woodland Retreats, formerly Teversall Caravan and Motorhome Club site near Sutton in Ashfield. See you soon.